What are you fucking looking at? Bitch, please. A story like this deserves a glass like that. Okay? I am in love with a person who might just be superficial. So just sit back and enjoy. Cheers. Okay, let us start from the beginning. So in the 7th grade, I made a friend. Let us call her X. So X and I got pretty close in a very small time. तो फिर मतलब we used to hang out और मतलब we were like besties actually. और मतलब 7th grade में मेरे में इतनी बुद्धि थी नहीं कि मतलब this girl could get me fucked up real bad. मतलब people used to look at her and then tell me that is she your best friend? How is she your best friend? Because I was kind of like, you know, the it girl, but academically. X, right? We had this whole amazing friendship, and then 7th के last class में we decided, me, her, and there were 2 other girls in our group. So we decided that we would go out like on a trekking trip. And mind you, this was 7th. So that was a pretty big deal क्योंकि मतलब मेरे माँ बाप कहीं पे जाने नहीं देते मुझे खास करके. तो अभी मैं यहाँ पे गई और हमने फ़ोटो लिए नेचुरली मतलब. और मेरे पास एक तो तब फ़ोन नहीं था, अभी भी कहीं नहीं है यार मेरे. I am so poor. I am so fucking poor. I cannot even afford a simple phone. Oh, by the way, I was talking about me, not my dad. क्योंकि मेरे बाप के पास तो. So we went on a trip or we took some photos and we came back. But at that time हमारी friendship थोड़ी नहीं बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब बिगड़ गई थी. We had some fights in between और वो सब. तो she was toxic. She was toxic and I mean it. Anyways, in the starting of 8th grade, she told me that while our friendship was on the brink of breaking, she told me that a best friend of hers kind of likes me. And मैंने पूछा कैसे, तो she's like, oh, just तुम्हारे photos देख के. And I'm like, photos? One thing that you all need to know here right now is that I so did not look good at that time. मतलब चंपू वंपू जो भी बुलाओ, that was me. मतलब कि कोई हेयर स्टाइल का ठिकाना नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं. एंड फोटोज में तो पता नहीं क्या मुझे क्या चूल चढ़ गई थी. I was smiling like this. And I mean, bitch, how can you like me when I am posed like that? But still he did. So let us call him Y. तो बात आगे बढ़ी and all, and she started telling me that he loves me unconditionally. और पता है Y क्या करता था? He used to send me things through X. Like ये देखो, I started journaling at that time. So this is what he wrote. Okay, I cannot show his name. Oh my god. I cannot do that. Okay, but see, just ऐसे उसने ऐसा दिया था, date of birth और वो सब भी लिखा था. So मतलब, I mean, and the thing is कि these handwritings, I swear to God, are X's. क्योंकि मतलब मैं उसके साथ बैठती थी. And मतलब I spent 2 years with her and I knew what her handwriting looked like. And when I asked her कि भाई ये तूने दिया है मुझे, but still मतलब this is your handwriting and not his. तो she's like कि नहीं है, मेरी handwriting नहीं है, मेरी और उसकी थोड़ी मिलती जुलती है and all. And I'm like okay, ठीक है, मुझे attention मिल रहा है and I'm not sorry for that. तो थी मैं थोड़ी attention से. हर कोई होता है, मतलब यू कैन नॉट ब्लेम मी. ओके, एनीवेज, सो हाँ, तो तब ये सब हुआ. एंड देन वन डे, मतलब everything like this was going on and he was pretty heartbroken from like his last relationship or something like that. So होगा कुछ. तो फिर एक दिन रक्षाबंधन पे, मतलब वो उसके वहाँ पे मतलब राखी बांधती है, तो मतलब he asked her to ask me what I wanted as a रक्षाबंधन gift. तो मतलब तब मैंने पढ़ना चालू, मतलब I had started reading books. तो I was like, हाँ चलो, give me a book or whatever. तो he sent me this through X, and I am so fucking not kidding when I say that this book literally costs 700 rupees. Or at least it did at that time. It was like 2 years ago. और उसने मुझे ये दी. एंड आई मीन एट फर्स्ट मैं ऐसा लिटरेचर की फ़ैन नहीं थी, तो मतलब मैंने तो रख के मतलब आई जस्ट केप्ट इट अवे एंड ऑल. बट देन मतलब आई स्टार्टेड रीडिंग. द बुक इज़ एक्चुअली ब्यूटिफुल, वेरी ब्यूटिफुल, बट आई थिंक ही हैज़ंट रेड इट येट, और सिर्फ ऐसे इसका टाइटल देख के उसने मुझे भेज दिया. एनीवेज, सो हाँ, तो ही सेंड मी दिस. और फिर मतलब मैं जब भी एक्स से पूछती थी कि भाई मुझे वाई के फ़ोटो दिखा, मुझे उसके साथ बात करनी है एटलीस्ट वंस, बट शी इज़ लाइक कि नहीं, ही इज़ वेरी शाई एंड मतलब ही इज़ लाइक दिस, ही इज़ लाइक दैट, ही कैन नॉट टॉक टू यू एंड ऑल. तो आई वॉज लाइक okay, whatever. और फिर उस टाइम आई स्टार्टेड टू रियलाइज कि मतलब दिस इज़ नॉट गोना वर्क फॉर मी, बिकॉज आई वॉज एन academic person और एक्स वॉज एक्चुअली नॉट एन academic person. तो मतलब मैंने उसको बोला कि मतलब आई कैन नॉट डू दिस एनी मोर, और फिर द फ्रेंडशिप ख़त्म. और फिर 2 साल तक वी वर इन अ नो कॉन्टैक्ट जोन, विच indirectly meant that I was in a no contact zone with Y. So at that time, I kid you not, मतलब there were certain times where I liked other people, but my heart belonged to this one guy, and I don't know, and I don't even know why. मतलब देख, उससे मैंने बात नहीं की, उससे मैंने देखा नहीं है, और मतलब हाउ कुड आई, मुझे खुद पे इतना गुस्सा आता था कि भाई हाउ कुड यू लाइक समवन हु इज जस्ट नॉट, मतलब he probably doesn't even exist, because मैंने उसको देखा नहीं, बात नहीं की, and still I was head over heels for him. और फिर मतलब for 2 years I literally fucking wrote letters to him. That was how crazy I was after him, and I literally yearned for him. Wait, I'll show you. As I said कि मैं डायरीज लिखती थी, मतलब I still do. So here is one, this entry to him. See, I cannot show his name, but yeah, this, I literally was madly in love with him. I was, मतलब I cannot proclaim it as love, but it was pretty much love, because इस kind की liking I had never liked someone like that, without even seeing his face, without, मतलब पागल थी मैं literally. So for 2 fucking years, I yearned for him. I fucking yearned for him. And फिर मतलब just this past month, मतलब after cutting off friendship with X, was the first time I talked to her. So I talked to her and I was like, do you mind if I ask a question? And she's like, no. और फिर I asked her, does he even exist? I mean, you pretty much made up a guy. It looked like you made up a guy to manipulate me. Anyways, so हाँ, तो I was like, हाँ मतलब, does he even exist? And she straight up, you know what? She straight up goes like, yes, he does. And then, अपने आप मेरे को information देती ही जा रही है, and I'm like, mother chod, I don't need to know that. I don't fucking need to know that. Because see, I'm already heartbroken as it is. And upon that, you are telling me the details of his life. And you know what? It turns out that he left for America, for USA 2 years ago. And right now, he has a girlfriend and they're pretty much very established in his family and he very much loves her. And all of this information, I kid you not, उसने अपने आप बोला. I did not even ask. The only thing that I asked her was that, does he even exist? Or matlab, I did not want this answer. I did not expect this answer because see, I was hung up on him and I expected him to be hung up on me. Cheers. I got so angry. But उसके सामने मैं क्या बोलूँ? So I was like, okay, well, good for him. Rest of the day, I spent in utter sadness. Because not in my wildest dreams would I have thought that he had a girlfriend. I mean, there was a chance, but not in my wildest dreams. So, as a NEET student I pretty much studied till like 2:33 a.m. that day. और फिर I went on the terrace that day. मैं बैठी edge पे. So I sat there. The city was beautiful, hushed, silent. I could see the moon and I could see the stars. And then I talked to one star. I looked up at one star and I was like, hi Ronak. Yeah, so that is his name. I did not just reveal it, but shh, okay. You are not going to tell this to anyone. So I was like, dear why? And I started और मैं 15 मिनट तक चलती ही गई. And you know, at that point I had pretty much accepted कि मतलब he had moved on and probably I should too. So मतलब I was like, I did not expect that from you, but now you have moved on and I have to too. And I told him everything. I told him about the yearning, I told him about the waiting, I told him about madness. And then all I said was goodbye now and forever. Because मैं बोल भी क्या सकती थी उसको? Could I tell him कि मतलब तू वो सब छोड़ के come to me? I mean, he wouldn't. Why would he come to me? He had a girlfriend after all. And then मतलब all I wished is for him to get the message. I wished for him to get the message which I gave to a star. That is probably the most wildest, the most craziest, the most paglu thing that I have ever done in my life. But the main part because of which I loved him was that he made me love myself. He made me love myself. I just cannot. Okay, I'm not gonna cry. I'm not gonna cry. Yeah. So I just really hope he does not see this video, because I just want him to have a happy life. I just want him to have a good life. I mean, yeah, so that was pretty much the story for me, because I think at some point in your life you're gonna lose somebody, and you are meant to lose them. They were meant to teach you something, and when whatever they taught you have learned. Have you ever loved someone like this? Have you ever loved someone and they did not love you back? Or have you loved someone like me who probably does not even exist? Because right now he really does not exist for me. He was like a fleeting dream for me. What else could it be? I mean, share your story. I would love to know that I'm not alone in this. Yeah, this was a story worth telling. At least I think so. Tell me if it was worth listening. So yeah, to us and to what future holds for us, and to the madness that is love inside us. Cheers.